everyone, my name is DHISALENY. Today I am going to explain about the glucose meter. The glucose meter used to measure how much the glucose level in the blood for the diabetic people. It also managed to control their blood sugar level.
First step, the hand should be washed with soap and water or with an alcohol swab. The fingers were let to dry before testing. Second step, the test tip were inserted into the glucometer. Peel off the film seal from the test tip case completely. Now attach test tip case into edge of the meter firmly. Push the test tip straight until you feel the click. When the test tip is attached, the meter beeps and the screen displays OK. 3. Insert the lancet into the MediSafe Fine Touch lensing device. 4. The lancet was inserted into lensing device before it twists off the cap on the lancet. 5. Next, the depth of the lensing device was set up. Remember, the higher the number of deeper the poke. Cocking handle was slide back. The fingers were held in the low heart level. Step 6. Place the lancet gently against the selected puncture site and press the push button. After pricking, gently squeeze around the puncture site to obtain a drop of blood. 7. The palm of the hand was squeezed gently from down to the tip of the finger. Gently apply the tip of the test tip to the blood. Step 8. Gently place the meter aside and wait. The reading was obtained from the meter. After done with testing, change the lancet, which is pocketed every 24 hours. Dispose the used lancet in safe container such as a milk jug or laundry detergent bottle. Rotate side to prevent failures. Things to remember. Remember, the blood glucose level were kept safely in the glucose meter. Ensure date and the time were accurate. Bring all meters to clinic appointments.